In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Google Calendar to create and manage events. Whether you're new to Google Calendar or just in need of a refresher, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process of adding an event. So let's jump right into it. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing google.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once there, find the Google Apps icon, which is a grid of 9 small squares located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon and a drop-down list of various Google services will appear. Scroll through until you find Calendar and click on it. If you haven't signed in yet, be sure to enter your Google account credentials to access your calendar. Now that you're on your Google Calendar page, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Create. Clicking on this button will open a menu that shows different options for scheduling tasks, events, and reminders. Since we're focusing on creating an event, go ahead and click on the option labeled Event. Once you've clicked on Event, a new window containing various input fields and options will open. The most important field here is the event title. This is where you'll type in what your event is about. It could be a meeting with a client, a social gathering, or even something personal like a workout session. Think of a concise and descriptive title that will make the event easily recognizable at a glance. After entering your event title, you'll see several other optional settings you can configure, such as specifying the date, time, location, and adding guests or video conferencing options. However, for now, we'll keep it simple and essential. Once you're satisfied with the details, direct your attention to the Save button located in the top right corner of the event creation window. Clicking this button will finalize your new event and add it to your calendar. Congratulations, you've just added an event to your Google Calendar. This simple activity can become part of your daily or weekly routine to ensure that you're always on top of your schedule. Using Google Calendar like this helps you plan better, stay organized, and make the best use of your time. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, mastering Google Calendar can make a significant difference in your productivity and time management skills. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy scheduling!